If you host a meeting on Zoom, you can make so that new people cannot join in. This is extremely useful if you wish so that all participants to be online from the start. First, tap on the screen on the phone device. You will see now more info about the meeting and some buttons on the bottom. Tap on the three dots from the bottom right. Here, select Meeting Settings. There are lots of settings here, but what we are looking is the option Lock Meeting. When you enable this option, new persons will not be able to enter the meeting. This way, you make so that new people cannot join in. Also, if you want to change this option back, you can do this by going back to the meeting settings. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.